Okay, here we are, back with the Maniacc flyer build. Today's episode of Rwdy's World, we're gonna be starting to rebuild. So, you saw the last episode, you saw me finish buying all the parts, almost. A few parts I did get since then is the bar end grips, going with the white and red color scheme. That'll be going on the, and we already put one on, I forgot I did that. And we got valve stem caps. That'll be going on the valve stem. Only thing that I haven't got yet still is the cranks. I'm going with chrome cranks. I just don't know what brand yet. Might go SC, might go Stolen brand, might go Red Line, we'll see. But anyway, it's time to start the build. So today what we're gonna be doing for the most part is getting a lot of the old parts off. So that's what we're gonna be doing. I'm gonna try to scrape a lot of the stickers off, a lot of the Velcro straps I got on there, seat grips, you know, all that good stuff, and try to, you know, get the bike started breaking down. See, I got it leaned up against a chair. I'm still debating on getting a bike stand. It's not like I do rebuilds often, so I don't really know what I would use it for. Only reason I kind of really want it is for storage, like when I'm storing a bike, not riding it, but I don't know, we'll see. But for now, we're just gonna lean it up against here. Start stripping the bike down. Let's go. Start off with taking these spoke skins off. Get all the old ones off. Anybody want these, let me know. They're the Ride Out Supply. Reflective ones. I'll send them to you for free. I'll even cover the shipping. I don't really care. If you want them, let me know. Some of them are still in good condition. Some of them, the reflective part is coming off, so it is what it is. Last but not least, here we go. Naked rim. That's all the skins off. Now, it's time to do the front one. And that's it for the front one. Next step, we'll be taking all of these off. I got scattered around the bike, these Velcro strips. Let's do it. These are just some reflective strips I got from my local bike shop. Since we're right here, I'm gonna go ahead and take the chain off. That's the link right here. Straight like that. If anybody wants this chain, let me know. give back to the bike community and donate all these parts. It just needs to be cleaned up. I probably won't be doing that before I get rid of it, sorry, but you can have the chain. Okay, let's go ahead and get this seat off. I do remember lubing this seat, so it shouldn't give me much of a hard time. There we go. It's pretty long. The seat post is pretty long there, ain't it? Seat post clamp. Okay, now that we're done with the other side, here comes the fun side. With all of these stickers. All of these stickers. I'm gonna try to get off what I can by hand. And all the tough, stubborn ones, I got my trusty Goo Gone Pro Power ready. That, spray that on 15 minutes. Get you a plastic scraper. And those stickers gonna come off with no problem. No problem at all. So, let's get to it. Okay, so as you can see, barely, but I've gotten a few of them off. There, kind of there. The fort. just getting started, really, but I kind of lost patience. So it's time to spray the Goo Gone on here and expedite the process a little bit, you know. So hey, get to it. Okay, the timer is now going. Be back in about 15, 20 of them and scrape it off. Let's do it. Okay, so we're back and it's actually been 38 minutes, a lot longer than 15, 20 minutes, but let's get back to it and see how easy it is for this stickers to come off.
One eternity later.
Okay, all the stickers are off. That did indeed take an hour. Very tedious process, but I'm real persistent, y'all know. And they're all gone. The clear vinyl stickers that I made were a lot easier, of course, than the paper stickers. Those come right off, but those clear vinyl stickers gave me hell. But persistence is key. The only one that's left is this front badge Ride Out Supply sticker that I'll get off soon. But stickers on the bars don't matter because I'm not using them. Stickers on the cranks don't matter because I ain't using them either. So, have to get the rest of the parts off the bike and had a frame stripped down, and let's get this rebuild going. Time to get the cranks off next. Apparently, it's pretty easy. Next thing next is to get the wheels off. I have to. Get the Shimani's. Straight like that. So, as you can see, we have stripped the bike down to the frame and forks. So the next step, pretty much as you can see, the bike is a little dirty. It got some of the a lot of the goo residue and just some dirt from riding and stuff from all over the bike pretty much. So I gotta give it a little clean up, you know. The crank bearings, I'm gonna leave because I had just put those in. Well, I just put them in, but I changed them last time and I haven't rode too hard, so they don't seem like, I'll inspect them more, but they don't seem like they need to be changed out. Also, the headset bearings, these don't seem like they need to be swapped out or anything. And then I like these blue cups that are on there. Kind of goes with the bike. I'm not sure if my new set comes with new, so you can see those blue cups. See the blue cups? Each side has them. I put those in last time too, so I might just keep those blue cups in with those seal bearings. SC don't come with seal bearings, so if you know, it's a good upgrade and they last years, so I haven't been riding that long on them. But I don't know if my new headset comes with red, but I just feel like that blue is looks gonna look a little better, but we'll see. But yeah, next step is get the bike cleaned up, and next week or so, pretty soon, I'll be getting the cranks. Yeah, that's pretty much it for now though. Got the bike tore down and I'm excited to get this thing cleaned up and really start the rebuild. So appreciate you for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, Lego.